Hello guys, and welcome back again to my channel. This is a beginner's tutorial, and this frock you see right here is very simple to make. Stay with me. Alright, let's get right into the video. Here I have two pieces of cloth folded together. This is for both the back and front piece, and then the length of the half length here is actually 11.5 inches. The half inches on it is joining allowance to the waist. Then the baby's shoulder is 10 inches, and I've marked down half of the shoulder, which is 5 inches, and the armhole is 5 inches. I added 5.5 to the armhole, making it 5.5 inches. Now I'm drawing out the armhole curve. After drawing the armhole curve, I'm going to insert the child's measurement. Here I have neck width of 3 inches, and I have neck depth of 2.5 inches. Then I tried to curve with my roller, but it seems like I wasn't getting what I wanted, since the curve roller is not, the armhole curve roller is not here. I think I wasn't getting what I wanted, so I had to complete that with my hand. Now the child measurement, biggest body measurement, we always use biggest body measurement. Biggest body measurement is 25. That's her chest and her waist. They are the same measurements. That's same circumference, the waist and the chest. So I have 25. Now if you divide 25 into 4, you will get 6 3/4, which is what I've marked down, and I've added 1 inch as the allowance. Actually, I ended up adding 1.5 inch. That's 1 inch for ease, and the half inch same allowance. Then I'm coming down on the waist part. I'm coming up by 1 inch so that I'll curve the edges of the top part, so that it can give it a better fitting on the child. That's what you see me doing here. Now I'm simply confirming what I've marked out. Now I'm cutting out the upper part of the clothes. Now I'm going to slit one of the piece of cloth, the front one. I'm going to slit it down like 2.5 inches, so that there will be enough space for the head to pass through without struggle, since there is no zipper on this cloth. Now I'm done slitting the front parts of the cloth. I'm going to take this to the sewing machine, turn the neckline with a bias tape and the armhole with a bias tape. Now this is the down pieces of the baby frock, and the major piece here is measuring 17 inches, but the actual length of the child is 15 inches. The extra 2 inches is for folding the down part, and then the 1.5 inch for folding the down part and 1/2 inch for joining to the upper part. Now the second piece here is the top layer of the down part. So this top layer is measuring 10 inches, but I'm going to end up with 8 inches in length, because the 2 inches are going to serve as hem and joining allowance. The total length of that's the width of the clothes, the down part, the width is 36. That's like 1 yard of clothes, I'll be 1 meter. So you gather it, which I have gathered already. I've gathered the down part, and I'm done with the upper part. Now it's left for me to join the pieces together, both the upper and the lower parts. It's left for me to join them together, then I'll show you the final result. Now here we have the final result. This is very simple and very easy to make. The most interesting part is that most kids love this kind of frock because it makes them comfortable. So do try this and let me know. Let me have your feedback. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.